Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Ctrl W not working problem. Let's fix it guys. The first solution consists of three small steps. The first step is to toggle off sneaky keys and filter keys. To do this, you just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side, select accessibility. On right side, you just need to scroll down and select keyboard. In here, you just need to turn off sneaky keys and filter keys, guys. After turning off both of it, the second step is to turn off the gaming mode. When gaming mode is on, shortcut keys like Ctrl W may not work. To do this, you just need to select gaming on left side. On right side, select game mode. In here you just need to toggle off the game mode, guys. After turning off, you just need to close it off here. Now the third step is to update Samsung Magician. If you have Samsung Magician installed on your computer, updating can solve the problem, guys. To do this, you just need to open the Sam Magician and select the update in here. If you have any update available in here, then you just need to update it, guys. After updating it, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution, guys. The second solution is to delete and reinstall KB5034123 Windows Update. To do this, you just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side, select Windows Update. On right side, you just need to scroll down and select update history. In here, you just need to scroll down and select uninstall updates. Now we are going to delete this update, guys. If you don't have this update, then you need to delete the last update, guys. You just need to check the last update. After that, click on uninstall. Select uninstall again. After uninstalling the last update, you just need to restart your PC, guys. After restarting your PC, go back to Windows Update and select check for updates and update your Windows, guys. After updating your Windows, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.